Welcome to our comprehensive overview of InstaSwap, an intuitive platform designed for fast and secure cryptocurrency exchanges. In this video, we'll dive deep into how InstaSwap works, its key features, and why it's an excellent choice for both crypto newcomers and seasoned traders. Let's get started. First, InstaSwap offers a simple interface that doesn't require account creation. This means you can trade your crypto assets without worrying about sharing personal data or going through lengthy sign-up processes. The platform supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins, ensuring flexibility for diverse trading needs. Once you select your desired currency pair, InstaSwap provides you with a real-time exchange rate. The transparent fee structure ensures there are no hidden costs, and transactions are processed quickly, typically within minutes. This makes InstaSwap an ideal solution for users looking to complete trades efficiently. Security is another highlight. InstaSwap doesn't hold your funds or private keys, reducing the risk of hacking. By enabling non-custodial exchanges, it gives you complete control over your assets throughout the transaction process. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Continuing with InstaSwap, the platform's support team is accessible and responsive, ready to help users navigate any issues. Moreover, InstaSwap's compatibility with popular wallets like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and others makes it convenient for seamless crypto management. One standout feature is the ability to complete transactions without limits on exchange amounts. Whether you're trading a small amount of crypto or making a large transaction, InstaSwap accommodates your needs without compromising on speed or reliability. Ready to start swapping crypto like a pro? Give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications for more expert crypto guides and insights.